When I saw the day that you got acquired, I was like so excited for you.
Thank you.
I was just like, oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Just to see a woman who looks like me, a black woman, and it was just like, it's such a big deal. And you're currently the CEO.
Yeah, I'm still,
Still the CEO. You're still with the company.
Still the CEO, still the Chief Innovation Officer.
Yeah.
Still working 60, 70 hours a week, because it wasn't a full acquisition.
Okay, can you explain this? Because we were talking about this backstage, and I thought this was really, really interesting. So could you go into this?
Yeah, so basically the way it works, right? You've been running your business, and you've had multiple rounds of funding. You've got your original people that was probably there 10 years ago, venture capital, they came in. Then after that, a private equity fund came in, right? So when you raise venture capital and private equity money, there's rules that come to that. The venture capital is a little bit more lenient. Private equity is like when they're growth seed private equity investors, their timeline is like 4 years. And so when you sign on to do an investment like that, it's like, hey, if we're gonna do this, then you have to have an exit or an IPO, but IPO is far and few between, right? You have to have some sort of event within 4 years. And so the type of partnership that we had was a majority acquisition. So what that means is they came in and they bought out all of the previous investors. And then they gave us an opportunity to have a cash event as well.
What size were you at that moment?
We were around 100 million. That normally signifies that it's time, right? And then I sold 50% of my equity, which you guys, I did not own 50% of the business by now, just so you know. And so the next time that we go out to market, it would be a full acquisition, which that's when you're getting bought by a strategic like Unilever or, And the thing about it is you don't have a choice, right? Because it's private equity once again. And these people don't invest the kind of money that they've invested to just let you sit, right? At some point, they have to get a return on their investment. So that's how it works.